So guys, I'm actually just doing a quick supermarket run. Don't know if I'll be bringing you guys along with me, but maybe I will do a few clips there. When I come back, I'll show you guys the few things that I actually get at the supermarket, because I have some stuff already, but who knows. Here I'm some, because I get wet in the rain yesterday. It's been raining non-stop since yesterday, all morning. Rain. See how it look, how foggy and cloudy and the place wet. Yeah, we've been having rain all day since yesterday. So I will probably see you guys at the supermarket. I hope I get to a video. No, so if I do, I will see you at the supermarket, and if I don't, I will see you guys when I come home. All right guys, yep. Just the one leaves. Oh no. It's a cheesecake, but just the one. What's up, man? You want donut? And guess what, you know? Don't even see it. You know that? I'm not saying it. Oh, they have egg. What's what you want, egg? Fresh bread. I'll make some sandwich. Please. Now some of the time. I have to pick up my time. Passion fruit punch, and a mixed flavor. Yeah, those are the three. You done? Okay, sorry. Yeah. Just finished from the supermarket, so I got head home now. No, I go buy food before I head home. Alright. Yes guys, reach on back as you can see. Yep, so let me show you what I get in this little mini grocery haul so you guys can see. So first I'm gonna start here. I have green banana, ripe banana, get that as well. Some potato wedges and sachets, This is broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, and I get chicken and tang. Like I show you guys, I was picking up the tang, and some cup soup, ketchup, Carl's ketchup, and ginger beer. Love my ginger beer. Eggs, and I got brown bread, and of course my last course I get chocolate flavor and the almond flavor, a tin sachets as well, tomato, and I get salt fish also, and I get wine slice and some banana bread cake. I didn't take the cheesecake, it was too small. Yeah, and here I have a Danish cinnamon Danish, and chips, and I have cheese bread, bun, and rock cake. Those are what I bought at the supermarket today. And of course, let me show you my food that I went and buy. As I get fried chicken, some vegetable, and rice and peas. That's what I'm gonna chowder on right about now. To put away these first three. Guys, for joining me in this little mini supermarket run haul, whatever you call it. Yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like button, and